So I'll show you the flooring. It's a kit that you can get from BiGDUG. I think this kit here is 6 meters by 6 meters, and it's plastic tiles essentially that fit together like a jigsaw. You know the type of thing, you've seen them for sale everywhere in like the foam back stuff, but these are quite hardcore. They're quite thick. I think it's 15 mil. I'll put the details below this video just in case I get anything wrong. And the kit that we're using is a black and grey checker design. We're not going to do it checker. I'll show you the design we're going to do as we're doing it, but you can have it however you want. It's up to you to put the tiles down in whichever order you see fit. These lock together, and you put them together basically just by knocking them in with the mallet, and they don't need any adhesive, BiGDUG say, and they have a ramping edge as well that you fit in, and that stops the tiles moving when the vehicle comes onto them, so it keeps everything nice and secure. I've seen industrial garages use this stuff, and you know, talking to them, I'm very impressed with it, they're impressed with it, I'm impressed with what they say about it. It's very resistant, easy to clean, and goes together fairly easily according to BiGDUG. So we're going to put this down in here, we're going to have a look, and we'll show you how we do it, and at the end of putting the floor down we'll let you know what we think. Alright, so stay tuned because now it's flooring time. But in terms of overall product, loving this floor. It's very easy to fit, a bit of effort to put the tiles together like we said, but still good. Very useful. We've had a quick sweep up and it sweeps up lovely. I'm sure it'll clean up lovely as well.